10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Ready? Start. The Finance Act of 2021 amended Section 153A restricting its applicability to search and requisition made on or before 31/3/2021 stop. Simultaneously, for bringing assessment of search and requisition cases within ambit of Section 148, new provision was substituted. Stop. The procedure to be followed before issuance of notice under Section 148 was laid down in Section 148A. Stop. Both the provisions were effective from 1/4/2021. Stop. As per the explanation 2 of new Section 148, the AO shall be deemed to have information suggesting escapement of tax on income chargeable to tax (first) in case initiation of search or requisition made or survey conducted of the assessee on or after 1st April 2021 (second), where AO with prior approval of prescribed authority is satisfied that material seized from other person, belongs to assessee, or information contained in seized or requisitioned books of account documents from other person relates to assessee. Stop. The proviso to Section 148A makes an exception for such cases for the applicability of procedure laid down for issuance of notice under Section 148. Stop. Para. The heading of Section 153A is assessment in case of search or requisition. Stop. Section 153A, notwithstanding Sections 139 and 153, obligates the AO to issue notices for furnishing income tax returns in a prescribed form and manner, for relevant year or years and for each of 6 assessment years preceding the assessment year relevant to previous years in which search is conducted (hereinafter referred to relevant preceding years) in cases of search and requisition. Stop. Para. As per first proviso, total income is to be assessed or reassessed in respect of each of the assessment year. Stop. The second proviso provides that pending assessment or reassessment relating to the relevant preceding year on the date of initiation of search or requisition shall abate. Stop. Under the third proviso, the central government may by rules specify the class or classes of cases where the AO shall not issue notice for assessment or reassessment for the relevant preceding years. Stop. The exception being abated assessment or reassessment as per proviso (2). Stop. Under clause (A) of fourth proviso, no notice for assessment or reassessment shall be issued in case escaped assessment amount revealed by the books of account or documents or evidence in possession of the AO is less than rupees 50 lakh in the relevant year or in aggregate of the relevant assessment years. Stop. Clause (B) provides that income or part of it referred to clause (A) should have escaped the assessment for such year or years. Stop. Para. The heading of Section 153C is assessment of income of any other person. Stop. Proceedings under Section 153C are notwithstanding provisions of Sections 139 and 153. Stop. On satisfaction of the AO dealing with seized money, bullion, jewelry or valuable article or thing, seized or requisitioned books of account or document (for brevity seized material) that information contained in it belongs to or relates to person other than on whom search was conducted, shall hand over the seized material to the AO having jurisdiction of such other person. Stop. Over. तो दोस्तों ये 120 वर्ड्स पर मिनट की स्पीड का डिक्टेशन है. हो सकता है ये आपको ज़्यादा तेज़ लगे क्योंकि ब्रैकेट और कॉमास और जो भी और चीज़ें हैं वो मैंने बोली हैं, तो उनको कवर करने के लिए 120 हमें निकालना पड़ता है. ठीक है, तो डिक्टेशन कैसा लगा इसे बताइएगा. लाइक शेयर कमेंट कर दीजिएगा कि कैसा लगा डिक्टेशन. सब्सक्राइब कर दीजिएगा ताकि डिक्टेशन मिलने की या आने की आपको नोटिफिकेशन मिल जाए. और इसे ट्रांसक्राइब करना हो तो आप वेबसाइट पे जाके, डिस्क्रिप्शन लिंक पे दिया है वेबसाइट का लिंक, आप वहाँ से जाके लॉगिन कर सकते हैं और अपना टेस्ट देकर इसकी PDF भी ले सकते हैं। थैंक यू सो मच, बाय बाय।